name is Jared Baker, and I'm going to show you how a lot of this stuff works. Alright, when you start your car, air comes in through the air filter. When it comes in, it rolls past the mass airflow sensor, which is MAF. And that's a sensor that reads how much air is coming in. Then it rolls past, when the throttle opens up, the throttle plate, the TPS, that's the sensor that opens up the throttle plate. And then the MAP sensor, which is the manifold absolute pressure sensor. Then it comes through and it hits inside the combustion chamber. That's where your spark plugs and the pistons, and then the fuel injector shoots in there, and the air ratio, it compresses and then spark, and then it combusts. Then it comes out the exhaust past the O2 sensor into the catalytic converter, and if it has another O2 sensor, it comes out the exhaust. And with all of that happening, blow-by gases come through the EGR valve, which is the exhaust gas recirculation, and it comes back through and it shoots into the intake, and it comes back through the combustion chamber. Now, if you got blow-by gases basically comes through the PVC back into the intake, right back into the combustion chamber. And the reason why it's doing all of that is because of emissions. And with those emissions, you have to it's trying to make the air more breathable and makes it last longer for us. And the reason why that's happening, because you want to have a safer, more better environment. You don't want to have the environment all messed up. And that PVC is the positive crankcase ventilation. It's like you don't want to have too much pressure in the combustion chamber, so that's what happens. Like if you got blow-by gases getting past the piston rings, then you'll create a lot of pressure inside of the combustion chamber and inside the crankcase, my bad. And you don't want that because it causes cracks and all that. So it goes back through and it comes out. And crank position sensor, which is the KP, and then that's the cam position sensor. Crank position sensor it just like it helps you out. And there's a lot of other systems that's involved with this. Like you have the powertrain control module, engine control module. It's like all of these systems work together just so that your engine runs right. And the reason why you want your engine to run right, so you can get point A and point B with no problem.